Hi, boys and girls. So, first grade math over our Google Classroom. This is going to be so much fun. What we have here is one of our very first Google slides we're going to learn how to do. Now, on these slides, I'm going to give you red and yellow counters, either circles or squares, that you're going to get to move on the slide to help you count and manipulate those slides. So instead of having your two colors of crayons like we would have at our desk, you're going to get to move the circles or the squares. Let me show you what I mean. This first slide says, understand sums greater than 10, and it tells us to use the red and yellow counters to make 11 in each cart. So in the first cart, I'm going to use some red and some yellow, because I don't really know what a number partner for 11 might be. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to put some red in and start counting, and then I'm going to count on with my yellow to figure out what my number partner might be, what my number pair is. So let's start. I'm just going to highlight here, and wait until I have it all highlighted. I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to move it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to stop at 5, and then I'm going to move over to my yellow side, and I'm going to start moving some yellow counters over, and I'm just going to start counting on. My number after 5 is 6, so I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 5 and 6, so 5 plus 6 equals 11. And so I'm all done with that first cart. So now you can use the rest of the remaining counters to make a new number pair for 11 number partners using the remaining counters. On the next slide here, you're going to go down, and the directions again say use the red and yellow counters to make 11 in each row. So I'm going to have this first one done for you, and I'm not going to put it back, so you'll get to keep it as an example. 11 equals 10 plus, well, I don't know. So I'm going to use my counters. First, I'm going to put all of one color in 10. So I chose red. I'm going to put 10 red. 1, click on it to highlight it. 2, oh, what if that happens to my counter and accidentally I drag it and make it bigger instead of dragging the whole little square? What should I do? Anybody know? If you said hit the back arrow, you're correct. Remember, we just hit this undo back arrow and it takes it back to its normal size. And I wait till I see my little cross there, my little X, and I go 3. Oh, see, sometimes it happens again. What do? We go back. So I'm going to click it and hold it down. 4, 5. This will take practice for your little fingers, so don't worry if it is time consuming for you or sometimes you mess up, okay, like that. Sometimes even Mrs. Sexton messes up moving them around, and we are in first grade. It will take us some time to figure this out. So I would like you to really practice holding them down and moving them. My touchpad is getting very grumpy with me, I feel like today. It's been moving these things around to set these slides up, and it is like I'm done. So practice touching and dragging things, okay? I have my 10 red ones down, so how many yellow ones should I add to make 11? 10 plus 1. I need to put 1 yellow one in. And then I need to fill in my math sentence here. 10 plus 1 equals 11. I'm going to leave that one there for you to see the example, but I will put all of these dots counters back on the side for you to make your own math sentence and you to find your own ways to make 11 in those cards, okay? I hope you have fun practicing dragging and dropping and moving these counters. And remember, take your time. Practice makes perfect. Even Mrs. Sexton messed up a few times, so it's okay. Have fun.